What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac Art from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes, and today I wanted to show you my 9-day theory eczema kit. Okay, right here we got SeaMoss and black soap. SeaMoss and black soap is great for eczema, psoriasis, or any other skin inflammation problem. Right here we got SeaMoss papaya soap. SeaMoss papaya soap is great for lightening of skin. Right here we got SeaMoss Batana Oil soap. This soap is great for eczema, psoriasis, acne. Works as a great skin moisturizer. Also, it's known to get rid of gray hairs. Right here we have Eczema Skin Rejuvenation. Now, if you take this Eczema Skin Rejuvenation, use it with any of these soaps. Take a little dab of this, dab it on your eczema or any other your skin inflammation problems 3 times a day. Guaranteed the inflammation will subside and the problems will heal. Right here we got some SeaMoss Sage soap. This soap has that great outdoor woodsy effect. Also, it's really great skin anti-inflammatory agent. And right here, least but not last, SeaMoss Sage Butter soap. This soap is great for eczema, psoriasis, or any other skin condition, and plus it acts as a great overall skin moisturizer. Apply any of these soaps, 3 dabs of Eczema Skin Rejuvenation to the affected area. In 9 days, eczema, acne, or whatever problem should be subsided. Be blessed, y'all.